Have you ever pondered about the intricate process of building a power plant? It's a complex task, like assembling a colossal jigsaw puzzle, where every piece, every component plays an integral role. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of power plant construction, focusing on the role of large-scale engineering corporations. First on our agenda, we explore the concept of tendering. In the world of business and construction, a tender is an offer to do work or supply goods at a fixed price. When a company like BHEL, one of India's largest engineering and manufacturing corporations, needs to construct a power plant, it releases a Notice Inviting Tender, or NIT. This document details the project requirements and specifications and invites bids from potential contractors. Next, we shift our focus to technical specifications. This section of the NIT outlines the exact requirements for the project, down to the minutest detail. It includes everything from the type of material to be used to the desired efficiency of the power plant. This is a critical part of the process, as it sets the standard for the entire project. Thirdly, we have financial aspects. This segment of the NIT details the project's financial parameters, including the estimated cost, payment terms, and penalties for any delays or deviations. It's a critical element, as it ensures that the project stays within budget and on schedule. Finally, we delve into qualification requirements. This section outlines the qualifications and experience required of the potential contractors. It ensures that only the most capable and experienced entities are considered for the project, thereby ensuring quality and reliability. In summary, the construction of a power plant is a complex process involving detailed planning and precise execution. The NIT plays a pivotal role in this process, outlining the technical specifications, financial aspects, and qualification requirements. It's a fascinating journey of engineering prowess, meticulous planning, and stringent quality control. So the next time you switch on a light, spare a thought for the intricate process that makes it possible.